Hey everybody, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. We are very excited for this big announcement. We've been working on this for a little while and it was dragged out a little bit longer thanks to COVID, but we have finally inked the deal with AAA and we are now an approved auto repair facility. So we just got the credentials yesterday, the certificate of approvals. We've met all their requirements. So AAA has some pretty stringent guidelines for approving auto repair centers. As you can imagine, their name is on the line. If you're familiar with their hotels, again, it's a very strict requirement for the hotels, just as us. And we're very proud and honored that they approved us and that we're going to be working with them as a partner. So a few things that it helps out our customers with is that they'll be able to show their AAA card and save. So we're going to be participating in their discount program. So if you're a AAA member, you can show your card when you come in for service and you can get a 10% discount off labor up to $50. And you know, all those great other benefits that go with AAA. So head on over to www.deboersauto.com/AAA.